I think all the birds are happy the sun's come out. So beautiful. Peaceful. Everything in its natural flow. Well, as natural as it can be, considering what's going on surrounding us. Still, it's way more natural than a set of traffic lights on a hot sunny day in peak hour traffic. Oh, yeah, that's appealing. Sitting in front of a flat screen telly, watching sport and a million ads. Tiny little boxes stacked on top of each other, squashed together. Great place to meditate and ground. Tune into your own, what are they called? Circadian rhythms. I think mine's finally adjusting. Slows down first. You've got to get you've got to go through this uncomfortable, well, I seem to always have to, this sort of uncomfortable stage where you're facing yourself and I guess it's letting go of maybe like an addiction to drama or action and input and all of that sort of stuff, instead of, I like my addiction to be around the other way. Stillness and receiving and just like shining the light, holding the light, anchoring the light, breathing the light, being the best that you can be and looking after yourself. Yeah, so you sort of go through that and you come to a place where you go, oh, where was my head at, you know? What the hell was I thinking? And then you don't want to know what you're thinking because you're trying to forget it. No, it just drops away. And you have this moment. You're in the moment, like, pretty much all the time then. You don't let your mind drag you off to the future or drag you off to the past. You're all good. And then you can go, oh, right now I'm happy, everything's okay, it's all good. And make your moment bigger. Stretch it. And breathe. So important. Like, I can't emphasise that enough, but it just sounds so simple. But yeah, it really does. Breathe out tension, and you know, these trees just do it naturally all the time. They are like, I don't know, atmospheric lungs. They're pretty phenomenal, and so are we. We're just not grounded in one spot. Anyway, I'm going to wander off and go to the river and do Falun. All the sun's shining, as it looks like. Maybe it might rain. And that's okay too, because the sound of rain on the tin roof's pretty cool. It reminds you that you're snug as a bug and grateful for shelter and food and all your needs being met by the universe and Gaia. Yeah, blessed be. Have a great day. Bye.